Before we start, if you're a customer success leader trying to scale revenue, retention, and impact in 2026, make sure you subscribe. This video is part of my Marvelous Six series, where we break down the 6 superpowers CS leaders need to win the next era of go-to-market. Now, stay tuned to the end and you'll get the link to my 6 AI prompts every CS leader needs for weekly leadership success. Now, let me say something that might be uncomfortable. Customer success leadership didn't fail. The operating model did. And AI isn't here to automate CS, it's here to change how leaders lead. Now, the Marvelous Six, number 1 is Iron Man, intelligent leadership, how AI turns customer success into a superpower. Think about Iron Man. Tony Stark wasn't powerful because of the suit. The suit was just hardware. The real superpower was Jarvis, the intelligence layer that processed massive data in real time, flagged threats before they appeared, offered scenarios, probabilities, and options that let Stark decide faster and better than anyone else. Jarvis didn't replace leadership, it augmented. That's exactly what AI is doing to customer success leadership right now. Now, most CS teams are using AI wrong. They're using it like a faster spreadsheet. Auto-drafted emails, ticket routing, workflow automation. That's not intelligent leadership. That's task acceleration. AI as a leadership operating model does something very different. It predicts churn before customers complain. It surfaces expansion signals before sales ask. It prioritizes accounts based on future revenue risk, not last quarter's health score. It gives leaders scenarios, not static dashboards. Automation saves time. Intelligent changes decision, and leadership is a decision-making job. Now, traditional CS leadership is reactive. Red accounts, escalations, renewal, fire drill. AI-augmented CS leadership is predictive. Which customers are quietly disengaging, which usage patterns correlate to future churn, which behaviors lead to expansion 6 months before now. This isn't theoretical. McKinsey shows companies using AI for predictive decision-making outperform their peers by 20 to 30% on revenue outcomes. Gartner predicts that 2026 companies operationalizing AI in customer leadership decisions will outperform competitors by 20% in retention and growth. AI doesn't create value, foresight does. Now, if you want to lead like Iron Man, not just wear the suit, focus on this. First, build your Jarvis. AI should inform leadership judgment, not just automate workflows. Second, stop optimizing for reporting. If your dashboard only tells you what you already happened or what you already done, you're already too late. Third, let AI advise. Let humans decide. Leadership still requires empathy, context, and accountability. And finally, move CS from defense to offense. Predictive insight turns CS into a revenue growth partner, not a rescue team. This is superpower number 1 of the Marvelous Six, intelligent leadership. This isn't about replacing people with AI. It's about giving leaders foresight at scale. Subscribe for all 6 superpowers.